Hey everybody, how you guys doing out there? Peter with the Diamond Handed Apes page. Check me out on Facebook. Also check me out on Twitter, YouTube, um, Facebook, Josef on Schmidt. What I want to talk to you today is about um, buying a loser. You know, it's inevitable. No matter, I know all you guys out there are avid stock buyers and traders, and you're buying on the dips and selling on the highs. You're doing that. But just in case you may have just bought yourself a dud, it happens. All of us, it happens to all of us. We're buying something where we think we have a good information on a stock. We think it's going to make a run, and then all of a sudden it runs the opposite way, right down, 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 down into the dirt. And, don't be discouraged. It happens to all of us. It happens to every single one of us. It's what do we do? What do we do with that dud stock? What do we do? Is it a dud or is it dead? There's a huge difference because a dud stock could come back. Just it matters how long you're willing to hold that stock. If you are okay with it tying up your money and staying down until it gets some new news or something to make a new run on it, you can definitely double down, buy in your position, and continue to buy. So when it does make a move, you make that much more profit for a little less of a movement than you needed to make before. If it's a dead stock, then you probably just want to cut your losses. You want to try to figure out if that's going to be a dead stock, if it's just going to continue to run into the dirt. And if it runs into the dirt, you definitely want to, put a stop loss on that. Keep yourself from losing that money and make that money back. Because remember, if you make the more money you have to invest, the more profit you can make with the investment. So remember that as well. So when that happens, we've all had, all of us that have been investing have dud stocks. And it's not the end of the world. So I'm just here to tell you, if you have a dud stock or a dead stock, you need to figure out which one that is. There might be a time where you double down, triple down, and wait for a little bit of a run to make all your profits back, and then you unload the stock when it gets to green for you. Or if it's a dead stock, just cut your losses, invest into something else, into another stock that you think has great potential or is going to move for you. In that case, it works both ways. It's just doing your research, understanding what the stock is, what it's going to do. And you have some of these future stocks like Virgin Galactic and Tesla and these other stocks that just shoot up, shoot up, shoot up, and then they cut back down. They're not dead stocks by any means. In fact, they're actually I would consider just stocks that don't realize their full potential yet. And so I couldn't categorize those as a dud stock or a dead stock. The market all around right now in this time is getting beat up in technology. But technology is the future. So that might have not been the best example, but another example is, there are stocks that just go down. And I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling anyone to buy Virgin Galactic or Tesla. I'm just talking about dud stocks or dead stocks. Picking yourself up from your losses if they're dead, dusting yourself off, using that money to regain your position and regain your funds, because that's as simple as it needs to be. Just taking your money, investing it in something that can give you even more of a potential growth than what you originally invested in. And those stocks come along every single day. It's just about research and understanding what they are and how they're going to move. All right, I really hope that helps. This is Peter, aka the Diamond Handed Apes on Facebook. Of course, I'm going to put a link in down below for you to click and start trading. All right. It's to Webull. Get yourself some free stocks. Also, if you really like this video, if you think it could help somebody, please hit the like button, subscribe, send it to a friend. That really helps the algorithm of this to get out there. Again, I'm just giving I'm giving help to people out there who want to get involved in the stock market, for beginners, for novice. Even some of the stuff as I start to go on will be more technical and actually will be for more advanced people who are investing in the stock market. But until next time, thank you everybody for tuning in. Again, Peter, Diamond Handed Apes. Find me on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, all those social media platforms. Peter, Josef von Schmidt, Diamond Handed Apes, baby. Hoo, hoo.